Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of fake survey alerts that are related to the website Luckgoldsurvey.top. Luckgoldsurvey.top is a malicious website which now attacks many browsers. It tries to actually trick people into participating in some fake survey. The pop-up indicates that you have a chance of becoming a millionaire by participating in this fake survey. But the real purpose of this survey is not to help you become richer, but rather to force you into subscribing to its multiple push notifications. Also, another purpose of this malicious pop-up by Luckgoldsurvey.top is to collect your personal details. So if you see these pop-ups, don't ever interact with them and don't share any of your personal data through them. Simply leave this page and disregard its content. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware in your computer. So first thing you should do is carefully research the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. In case you don't see anything suspicious but still these pop-ups keep disturbing you periodically, we recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain the fresh version of it on this page, combocleaner.com, using this green download button. Download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.